Here's something really cool. So I'm looking for my camera bag, which has an Apple AirTag in it. And as I turn around my room, literally gives me an arrow of where it is. So it says 7 feet to your right, 7 feet ahead, 6 feet, 5 feet, 4 feet, 3 feet, 2 feet. And it says it's nearby. And there it is. There's my AirTag. And I can even make it play a sound. And now the AirTag, which is in this bag, is beeping. Hopefully you can see it. Oh, right there in that yellow towel. So if I went again and clicked on find, now I'm walking away, and I turn, boom, there's the arrow. Now it says I'm on the right track. I'm walking towards my AirTag. If I turn this way, it's going to tell me, hey, you got to turn right. And now I can find my camera.